Ways to reduce glare on an outdoor TV. Use a high-nit TV. A high-nit TV will have a brighter screen which combats glare. Turn up the brightness, backlight, adjust the contrast, color intensity and other settings to provide a bright picture. Consider a TV enclosure with an anti-glare front panel. Use a tilt or a tilt and swivel mount which gives you the ability to adjust the TV to angles that will reduce the glare. Mount the TV cabinet so in front of it there is a darker color area such as darker walls, bushes, or shading. It will help eliminate a large amount of glare. Do not place the TV and enclosure in a location where there is a lot of open bright space in front of it. Mount the unit at lower heights so you're not seeing the sky reflecting off of the polycarbonate front shield. Place a sunshade over the TV if it must be mounted at a higher level. This will help reduce reflections or glare. Use a TV enclosure that you can open for a direct view. That way if glare occurs you can always open the front.